Hi guys, welcome to LTS Seafoods. Today we are going to learn about silver pomplate fish, and the other name of this is white pomplate. Here there is 10 main health benefits by eating this fish. They are great for your heart, clearing the vessels, joint benefits, the eyes have it, essential nutrients, takes a deep breath, brighten your outlook, your skin looks great, good for your down below, boost your brain power. These top 10 benefits by eating this fish, guys. Let us know about the value of the energy we get. Energy, that in vitamins they are. These are the benefits and energy we get from the fish, and energy we get that in minerals are these. And the last one is about prices of this white pomplate fish. The gradings of this fish depends on grams. 50 gram to 100 gram, the price is 300 rupees. 100 grams to 150 grams, the price is 400 rupees. 150 grams to 200 grams, the price is 500 rupees. 200 grams to 300 grams, the price is 650 rupees. 300 grams to 400 grams, the price is 800 rupees. And 400 grams to 500 grams, the price is 1000 rupees. Like this, the selling of this fish depends in the market. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you all. If you like this video, support us and subscribe our channel.